open enrollment. It's day 2 of our open enrollment prep academy / boot camp / training sessions. So this is your quick overview of the topic we'll be covering today in our extended live session later on. So during the live session, you'll actually do the work, but for the people who can't join, this is just a little best practice so you can review this and then follow the instructions on our website, on our help app, which I'll show you in a second. So let's get going. We have a good best practice is to create a blank signature template. So that way you can just edit it really quickly and not have to rebuild the whole thing each time. So build that out for sure. That's covered in the email template creation video. But here, let's just hit copy. And we're going to build one that's specific for open enrollment or AEP. So this will be AEP client number 1 email. So this will be schedule your 2022 health insurance review with us now. Okay, so you can type into here. So because I already have this preset, logo and the agent information, all that good stuff, it's a lot easier already. I just started typing into the text box, and I'm going to say hello first name. We need to schedule your review for next year's insurance options. Most importantly, here are the things we need to know if they've changed. And then you can say marital status, and then you would just grab the tag for the lead or the client's marital status. That's down here somewhere. The good thing is you only have to build this once, and if you've, made it, there we go. Marital status, income level. So all of your custom fields that you've created are going to be toward the bottom of the list, which is why we're searching for it a little bit right now. So let's see. Sorry, I've got a lot of examples in here of these various income level. Let's pretend that this is income level. Just ignore that. Okay, so then we can have like our X list. So that way you can put that in there too. I believe that was really toward the bottom of the list. So RX list, pretend that's 2021. So you can add in any custom fields for the client that you want to, or not even custom fields, just fields in general. So, if their marital status has changed, if their income level has changed, probably a really good one is address, city, state, zip. So, and then we can use the merge tags again for address, city, state, zip, etc. And then you can do phone and so on. So you get the idea that you can create this little questionnaire, and then, that way you've got that available for you to just get as an email response. You can also go to this content option to add in more text by dragging and dropping. You can add an image in. You can use this little button aspect to put in your scheduler here. So if you want to do select a time for your 2022 health option review. And then you can just paste the link in there, or you can actually use, you have to look for it here in the merge tags. If you added in the customization of the agent calendar link, like we showed yesterday in yesterday's training session, you can scroll down here and add that in with the hashtag agent2 hashtag. So that's the field name for that. So even though I have to find it in the text, so that's why I wanted to show it to you. Even though I have to find it in the text, I can use it for the URL here because it will search for that URL for the field of agent2 using this snippet code. So that's a really helpful thing for you. You can see those other agent-specific snippets that I mentioned here below. Again, that's in yesterday's little instructional, and also we covered that in the live training session. So you can just keep adding as much as you want. You can add video, social media, buttons, HTML, GIFs or GIFs, depending upon your preference, icons and stickers. You know, you can get playful with it. You can add in rows for making it really nice and lined up. And then you've also got settings to create greater content area width, align it left or center, and all of that good stuff. So you've got a lot of these options for you. You can cover more of that in the actual instructional for the email templates, which I'll show you in a second. But also use this little filter if you can't find it. Right here, we see it at the top here because it's alphabetical by the template name. But if I wanted to just look up AEP in this filter, it'll make it a little bit cleaner for me, right? Then I can send a sample to myself so I can see how it looks and make sure that all the links work. And then I can also copy it. So tomorrow we're going to cover the automations that you can utilize for this. But right now we're just covering email template building. If you join the live training session today, you are going to get a time to build out your email templates, and I can guide you through any stumbles. The biggest stumble, honestly, is the drag and drop. It's a kind of an annoying feature on the template builder, not our fault, but you have to drag it exactly where it is, says it drag here, and then you can drop it. The good thing about this, the good thing about this annoying feature is that this is keeping it so that way it's going to display really well against all of your different, browsers and all the viewing devices that they have now. So it's going to keep it more organized and not messy on multiple different kinds of devices. So here, if you want to upload a file, also another frustrating thing is you have to click into My Files before you can upload. You can upload then, and then you can also search for free photos. Super duper helpful. So those are just a few of the little things. Make sure you always save any changes to your template that you've made if you do want to save those things. So save template is an important part. All right, I will see you guys hopefully later in the session today. And if you do need any additional information beforehand, just go to the help app down here in the right-hand corner, find an answer now for email template creation, and you'll have the actual instructional there for you. So this is just a brief overview. This goes into more depth for you. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.